about driving OBS with wide wheels. Mine aren't even that wide. They're only 12 wide. Man, it slings dirt everywhere when all the rain we've been having. Slinging it all over the side of my truck. So we're gonna get her all cleaned up. Not super cleaned up because it's supposed to rain all weekend too, but at least knock the dirt off it. So when it is finally nice out, she doesn't look so bad. So we'll get to it. Wheels clean, some hostile wheels. These are 2212 Predators. If you guys are just checking into the channel, keep them clean. Yeah, she was definitely dirty, so hey, I wanted to thank everybody for all the subscriptions to the channel. Killing it. All the views on the 2020 Duramax, or the 6.6 gas engine that we're having. Pretty awesome. Hopefully we'll get a Duramax pretty soon so I can do a video on it. And I know you guys have been dying to see the Cutlass, so I'm going to insert a feed right now. And you guys check out the Cutlass status. If you guys are new to the channel, I got an 86 Cutlass that's over in paint. So here it is, about a 2-minute video. Check it out right now. Guys, here's the update on the Cutlass. Probably can't hear me because I got fans and stuff going on, but all the glass is out of it. They're resealing all the body seams around the windows. Got it all primed, roof's all primed. Interior dirty as a mug. Have to rip that all back out. Got the hood all mounted on there. So this is about the only side that's not in primer. A little bit to do with the roof still. That's just all dust. It's been a little bit since the Cutlass has been on the channel, so I wanted to make sure I gave all the Cutlass guys, U-body guys, an update on it. Since that hood on there is gonna look good though. You guys, let me know in the comments below what you think about that. But yeah, nothing exciting. Just wanted to give you guys an update. They pulled all the glass out of it, you know. So figure I was gonna do it, make sure it's done right. Probably pull this out, pull the brake light out too while the glass is out of it. So alright, until she lives again. Kind of depressing seeing her like this, so we'll try to get some more video on the next trip over here. But I was over here in the area, so I figured I'd stop by and check it out. Should look good. No project gets done real quick. Well, most projects don't. Most of them take time, so I'm not stressing over it. Got plenty of other stuff going on, so. But yeah, appreciate you guys, and we'll get back to the rest of the video. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that little short clip of the Cutlass. Get in this truck and fire it up and head to the house. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed that first video of the F250, and today we're going to reveal the new project truck on the channel. Hopefully we'll see how it goes, But since everybody's into the truck scene now and everybody likes diesels, here's a new project truck on the channel. It's 06 2500 Duramax Allison transmission. Let's show you what you got. Alright, so this thing has a ton of miles on it, but the body on it's super straight. And of course it's a color that everybody has, silver birch or whatever they call it. We're gonna try to peel the wrap off it. That's gonna be super fun. But it's all factory, no tunes, no nothing on it. It's locked, but interior needs to be gutted. It's got a water leak, but it's a higher package, so it's got leather, it's got the center console. So this is gonna be the new project truck, four-wheel drive. Probably get rid of the topper, sell the topper off of it. Probably lift it, needs a new rear bumper. But yeah, if you guys are new checking in, we're just starting a new project on this thing, and I'll show you the reason why I ended up with it. Well, we gotta fix it. So this thing's been sitting for a while, and rodents or something got in here and they ate all the wiring underneath the engine, so gotta get in here and fix these wires, all that goes up to the U-back. Trying to get working on that. So then that, nothing too exciting yet. Always cool to start a new project. I've always liked these GMs. You know, my other truck that I had on the channel, it was the same thing, but a short bed single cab with a 5.3. Wish I would have kept that truck, but oh well, it's what it is. So yep, that's it. If you guys have any ideas for it, comment below, and we'll get them rolling. So just wanted to drop the new truck off to you. Like I said, it might be a little bit to get to it, but wanted to tell you guys about the new project on the channel. So if you guys are interested in some Duramax content, please subscribe to the channel. And then we're gonna take a ride in the van. Got the van today. Take the van for a ride home. This thing is so dirty inside, but you can see cranking in this thing, man, because it's, yesterday I think I got in the Yukon, it was like 110 degrees on the little thermostat thing. It's been brutally hot. I wanted to say thanks for everybody. Thanks for all the support on the channel. Just wanted to kind of go over what we're looking at for the future. And alright guys, so for the channel, we'll be doing a lot more car review videos, I think, to add into my projects that I'm doing. So you guys really enjoyed the 2020 2500 6.6 gasoline engine video I did. There's a ton of views on that, like 5,000 views. So the dealership I work at, we own Honda, GMC, Buick, and Ford. So I'm gonna try to start doing a lot more videos on those three brands. So if there's a video that you guys would like to see on the channel, a certain car or something like that, comment below, and then I'll try to incorporate that into a video. So be looking out for that. And then also going to continue with the car project. You know, I got the truck, the 97 F250, which you guys seen the videos on that. And if you're new checking in, I'll put a link up right there, so click on that for that build. Also, we got the CUTLASS, which will be at the beginning of this video, so you guys will see that going on. That's going to be a slow process, probably in the next 6 months or so. Hopefully we'll get that one back. Still in the process of getting the paint on it, as you saw in the video earlier. I got the 96 van, which you guys just saw that crank up, and then we'll be starting on the Duramax build. So, and then also we'll be messing with my wife's Yukon a little bit. She likes to keep it practical though, so we won't be doing too much to that. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an overview of the channel. I know I haven't been filming consistently. A lot of stuff going on, trying to recuperate from the F250 build, so I've been trying to conserve on buying more parts until I can get some money back in the bank, get some stuff paid off, because I also had my house stuff happen at the same time I was filming the truck. So the downfall of that is I ended up having to fix my house, which was a water leak. Ended up turning into a kitchen remodel, a bathroom remodel, so you know, I had to put some stuff on my Home Depot card, which I wasn't really excited about because I don't like to use credit. So gotta get that paid off, and then we'll start on these projects again. So that's why I haven't been filming too much, and I appreciate everybody's support. Please subscribe to the channels if you like the builds. If you like to see something on the builds or know something about the builds, comment below. A lot of you guys have been hitting me up on Instagram too, so I appreciate that. It's an auto addiction on Instagram, so I will definitely respond to you. You know, all the comments you guys make, I try to go through them all and at least respond back to you. So I try to do my best to make sure I'm as interactive as possible with you guys. So, you know, try to grow the channel and turn it into the dream that I have. So we'll see you guys on the next video, and you guys have a great rest of the day.